The family of five's shack burned down, leaving them with next to nothing. Whilst the family received donations from the Chinese embassy to Namibia, consisting of food, blankets and clothing, they still had no idea how they were going to turn their lives around.
First, we just made a home with 2 rooms, and the next month is when they tried to build their whole house.
Victoria's father and her 2 brothers slowly but surely used the little money they had to buy corrugated iron and other materials with which they rebuilt their family home.
I'm okay. I'm happy since you are not out, or our things are protected.
Whilst they once again have a place to call their own, the conditions are not favorable, as they are still cramped up amongst other shacks. A Chinese company, Jiuding, have offered to assist the family in building them a proper, conventional house. But this all depends on the availability of a plot. Meanwhile, the Shaningi family embrace what they have.